Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach After Market Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had one trade in the ES, the rest were in the NASDAQ, and we did pretty good today. So ES, we had a small opportunity at the open. I told everybody initially it was probably going to go down to around 95, 96. We got short at 98.25. I said it'd probably be good for a couple points. After that, we'd have to see. We could have hit it again, but we did not, just because it was the open. It would have worked for more, actually, but that was, try not to be aggressive. That was a nice little winner there. And then in the NASDAQ, we had a long trade in the NASDAQ, which was really nice. That was at 69.50, and that trade went all the way up to around just below 11,500. I told everybody they probably were going to front the 11,500. If they got above it, I had higher targets, but we were expecting that potential to happen. But we had gotten 25 plus points on the trade, up to 100 ticks. For those with smaller size, just on the initial push there, it went from 69.50 up to 80, 83. So, 40 to 50, 60 ticks just on that initial push. And then it went a little bit higher after it kind of wiggled around there a little bit. And then when the market came down, we got short. I called this short at 78.50. And the first time we hit that trade, it went down and made about 12, 13 ticks, came back up. I said, go ahead and hit it again. And the second time it went from 78.50 down to 60. I said they would probably try to take it negative, which is what they did. Of course, they bought it up at flat, but they took it negative and then they kept it positive. So, but it went from 78.50 down over 40 ticks. And then it came back up again. We had Fed Chair Powell was on, and he was speaking in here. We didn't do anything. And we were talking about, we actually had called this short in the market way over here, never triggered. We were talking about the market coming down, but I said it would be later in the morning or maybe in the afternoon. We were looking for this short all morning, and we got it. We hit it the first time. We had to add, got out of break even, hit it the second time. Some people hit it 3 times, depending on how they, had their stops managed. And I told everybody, as long as it doesn't, the target that we were looking for, was it to get, we wanted it to go at least, close 20 ticks below we got in. Otherwise, they were really going to try to make it down, into the at least 95, and then I had 65 target. Now it came back up again, and then it did finally make it to the 65, but we did not hit it again there. But it made here from the 11 down over 100 ticks. Over 100 ticks. And again, not everybody got 100. Some people got less, especially if you had smaller size and stuff like that. But that is what it did. So we're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. We'll see everybody back tomorrow. Bye-bye, traders.